Let me introduce one of the most used traps in the UK now with OEM customers and also trade. The trap itself is quite unique as it's the only trap in the market which completely lifts out to clean and remove hair and soap, bio soaps and debris from the trap itself. So everything's cleanable from inside the bath, which most of you plumbers will appreciate having to remove a bath panel to actually clear this bath or the pipe further down the line. The product itself is a spring-loaded mechanism which completely seals. And unlike the O-ring plug, it's actually on it. This is domed. So the dome of the rubber seal goes completely over the face of the trap. So you don't get the same wear and tear what you would do in a normal O-ring seal. It is completely adjustable in length. So depending on the thickness of the bath, it will maintain at all times a 50 ml water seal. Easiest to assemble. Push fully down once. The dip tube will automatically maintain the 50 ml seal and ready to go. On the bottom here is completely adjustable. So no matter what direction you're going, that will go in a direction. It will take ABS, it will take MUPVC or polypropylene pipework. So any pipe that's established therein can actually be used in conjunction with a straight connector to join in and install your new bath. Now there's always a bit of a question about seals in baths. You should be no less than a 50 ml water seal, unless you're into an area where there is no way you could fit something like that. This is 112. But if you take the standard Q10 trap, which is 19 ml water seal, the HC2650 is actually lower than what you would think the Q10 would be with a 19 ml seal. So I would suggest you seriously look at the HC2650 for your projects. Thank you.